What's up, YouTube fishing fam? I'm out here with the bro. We over here at the lake catching some dinks out. I threw my bait out, first cast, caught one. But I ain't even have my chest strap on yet. But yeah, make sure you comment, subscribe, like, share, do it all. So you guys are about to get a whole bunch of action today. It's either gonna be me and my brother talking or me and my brother catching a bunch of fish. Woo! Oh yeah. That's garlicky. It's my first time using this stuff. Dip them tails.
Smell like that, Papa John's.
Yeah, that's what it smell like. Papa John's, I can use this on my pizza. You want some, bro?
Okay.
Look at that jump. What the hell's in this thing to be dying shit like that, yo? Some strong shit. All right, you guys, so far it's been a pretty exciting day. Caught like 20 sticks. 20 sticks. Been up on the shoreline. One dink. That's it. Flip this sucker right up there. I suck. I can't aim worth the damn. I can't aim worth the damn, y'all. I can't aim worth the damn, y'all. Shoot. Yep. Finally, another dink. Stop your head shakes. You gonna stop your head shakes? Shut up. Give me the hook. Huh. What's this? Another dinky dink? Can you guys see this dinky dink? Dinky dink, dinky dink flip. Over here, stuck in the tree. We got a fish out of water.
So weird.
Oh my God, I got the filter fish over here, yo. Oh shit. Got one while I'm over here stuck in the tree trying to get my bait out. Got one. Alright, so we tied this morning 2-2. We went all the way till 2 o'clock, man. The bass bite was rough. It was tough. We threw everything. The crankbait, we did not get a single bite on the crankbait. Yo, that joint was crazy, man. I always get a bite on the square bill. I had the deep diver. He had the medium diver. No action. But the bandito definitely came out and caught 2 for me. What'd you catch your 2 with? A worm and a...
Yeah, on a yum dinger.
Yum dinger.
And that bluegill swim bait.
Oh yeah, bluegill swim bait. Yep. That's at the bottom of the lake. We lose so much stuff. That lake crushed us, yo. We got caught up so much. Oh man, it was a good time though. I mean, hey, we still got 4. So now we're back to end this tie. Somebody has to win the challenge. The challenge was, you know, the loser has to buy dinner, but I'm stuffed, bro. I can't even can't eat no more. We went and got some pizza. I fried up some wings. We sat back and just watched some YouTube videos. We watched One Ride, One Reel. Who else we watch? Kicking Bass TV. We just watched the tournament that they just won. I mean, it was pretty dope. Me and him gonna have to jump into it once we get on some big bass. But hey, they just weren't biting. I mean, we were going where they were supposed to be. You know, they were biting. We were just getting the little dinks. My new episode is up in the last video, Dink City. So that's continuing, Dink City Part 2. But yeah, hopefully we get on something. All right, here we go. I ain't even chartreuse dipping because I'm about to just catch them without it. Watch, first cast, guys, first cast. Gonna get stuck first cast. It's starting to rain a little bit, but hey, that's fine with me. It's been hot today. I mean, it started off cool, then it heated up real quick. This thing it's getting caught up. Got a skin hooking on the backside. That way, weedless presentation. Oh, baby. Come on. Dang it. I just had a bite and I took it out of his mouth. All right, well, I'm about to go right back over there, you guys. He's over there. Oh man. Huh. My line broke, yo. Are you serious? Woo. TJ. Oh my goodness. Freaking tank over there. Yes. He nibbled twice. I got him the second time. And then I went to set the hook and that thing broke, yo. I knew I was supposed to change this leader out, man. See, this is why you change your leader. I was like, I looked at it, examined the line. I'm like, man, I'm good. Psh, nope. Let me change my leader, you guys. All right, part 2. Let's see if I can get him. Oh, now the sun will be glaring right in my face, yo. That's it. That's the spot. Why did the sun just pop up in my face? It's like, don't catch this fish. Leave him be. There we go. He's not reacting to it now. That joker got hooked and he ain't messing with nothing else. Oh. Are you serious? What the? Oh my God. Oh my God. He nibbled again. All right, here we go. Take 3. I tied the sucker straight to braid. I don't know what's going on with my leader right now, you guys, but I ain't got time for it to be taking another one. So, oh. Almost lost this one to the tree. All right, there we go. That's the cast that I want. Huh? Yeah. This thing ain't biting no more. Oh.
Oh.
Really? We were losing it to that?
Watch, he's barely hooked.
Yeah. Barely. It wasn't it, but he came out and bit it. Got him.
Not the one that was it.
Nah, this definitely wasn't the one. The one was freaking chopping, killing, crushing baits, yo. Dink City's all day over here, yo. This is straight Dink. Back at Dink City.
Yep.
Back at Dink City. There he goes. Got one again, fish on. I'm not losing this one. Nope. There we go. That's a lot better size. Marcel. Got another one over there. Yeah. Nah, this one's the biggest one. Yeah. There we go. Redemption. We coming back in action with it. That's 2 over there. He got one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go check him out.
Me and my son saw a jump, and I cast it right to it, and it literally bit instantly.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, just a little
Hold on, let me see. He caught a dink. This, I'm telling you, man, this pond is Dink City.
I mean,
They're decent.
yeah, they just
But-
need to get fatter.
Yeah. Now, I'm just saying, I'm used to some bigger ones. I'm about to go back. I caught one more over in that area.
Nice.
Yeah, right when Marcel was walking over here. So it was 4-3. Update. It's a wrap. You know, I had to show him who the Bassmaster is. 4-3. I beat my brother. My son, of course, you know, he's learning. He ain't catch nothing today, but I'm gonna get him on something tomorrow, all right? So that's it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, you know, all the above. I'm out.